Do you remember the first model car you built with your father? The first engine you tuned yourself? The start of your first race? We remember. This is how our passion for tools and motorsports started, formed our values, and set goals for life. Founded in 1991, our business holds motorsports close to its heart, where everything needs to run like a well-oiled machine. Victory is achieved through a team effort. Our team in Stokker has years of experience. For over 25 years, we have become involved in several fields of business: agricultural machinery, construction machinery, wood and metalwork equipment, cleaning equipment, garage equipment, workwear, gardening tools and forest machinery. We are there for our customers with our products and services across the Baltics. We have confidence in all our products. We guarantee the best solutions to our customers. Stokker Finance can help your plans come alive. Our competent and experienced team ensures that our customers are always offered the best solutions. Our team is attentive and focuses on cooperation and providing the best service. This is how we can guarantee that Stokker's service team is always where the customer needs it. Years of experience and constant development have made Stokker a quality label for reliability. Experience, solutions, reliability. Stokker.